नमस्ते बेटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। आई एम डॉक्टर सचिन गुप्ता, एचओडी ऑफ मेट्रिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, जेबीडब्ल्यू. Today I am teaching you plumbum metallicum medicine. This is a very good medicine in GIT disorders. The great drug for general sclerotic conditions, lead paralysis in chiefly of extensors, forearm or upper limb, from center to periphery with parietal anesthesia or excessive hyperesthesia preceded by pain, localized neuralgic pain, neuritis. This is made from lead so that there is some lead poisoning symptoms. The blood, alimentary, and nervous system are the special seat of action of plumbum. Hematosis is interfered with rapid reduction in number of red corpuscles, hence pallor, icterus, anemia, constrictive sensation in internal organs. Delirium, coma, and convulsions, hypertension and arteriosclerosis, progressive muscular atrophy, infantile paralysis, locomotor ataxia, excessive and rapid emaciation, bulbar paralysis, important in peripheral affections. The point of attack for plumbum are the neurexons and the anterior horn. Symptom of multiple sclerosis, posterior spinal sclerosis, contractions and boring pain. All the symptoms of acute nephritis with emeresis and cerebral symptoms, gout, chronic. Mental slow of perception, intellectual torpor, gradually increasing apathy. Weakness or loss of memory, unable to find the proper word. Delirium alternating with colic. Physicals, excessive and rapid emaciation, general or partial. Paralysis, extreme with anemia and great weakness. Lassitude, faint on going into a room full of company. Assumes strangest attitudes and positions in bed. Muscular atrophy from sclerosis of spinal system. Spasm, clonic and tonic from cerebral sclerosis or tumor. Epilepsy or epileptiform convulsions. Face complexion pale, ash colored, yellow, corpse like cheeks sunken. Expressive of great anxiety and suffering. Skin of face grease shiny. Mouth distinct blue line along the margin of gums, gums swollen, pale, show a lead colored line. This is a plumbum mat characteristic symptom in any trouble when we treated. This is the most important symptom we observe in the patient. GIT, excessive pain in the abdominal radiating to all parts of the body. Sensation in the abdomen at night which causes patient to stretch violently for hours, must stretch in every direction. Violent colic sensation as if abdominal wall was drawn as if by a string to the spine. This is the second important leading symptom of plumbum mat colic. In the colic, there is a sensation that a string tied to the abdominal wall and the spinal column, so that the pain is very severe. Intussusception with colic and fecal vomiting, strangulated hernia, femoral, inguinal, or umbilical. Constipation is stool hard, lumpy, black, like sheep's tongue. This is the third characteristic symptom in the stool, that marked black sheep's tongue stool is in the plumbum mat with urging and terrible pain from the spasm of the anus, obstructed evacuation and indurated faces, dryness of the dryness of the excretions, paralysis or muscular atony during pregnancy from impaction of feces when platina fails. Urinary system, Bright's disease, colic pain, abdominal retracted, rapid emaciation, excessive debility, contracted kidney. Female reproductive system feels a lack of room for fetus in the uterus, inability of uterus to expand, threatening abortion. Skin yellow skin, dark brown, liver spots in the climacteric years, jaundice, the eyes, skin, and urine yellow. Modalities: aggravation at night, pain in the limbs, amelioration, rubbing, hard pressure. References taken from Allen's keynotes by Dr. H.C. Allen. The session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jayavati Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it on problem solving day. Thank you.